Okay, so I'm going to be doing a review of these chicken strips. These are from M&M Meats. If you look at it, it's 1.36 kilograms. Actually, a really good deal is on sale. But here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And the ingredients are up here. So there you go. Let's open this up. There we go. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to cook it up and do a quick taste test. All right, so here are those chicken tenders all done. So we're going to do a quick taste test right now. And I'm just going to break off a little piece here on the edge. Here we go. Do a quick taste test. It is hot. It's actually quite good. You can taste it's white meat, and yeah, it's got nice seasoning, soft, tender. Yeah, pretty good. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.